welcome to a Paint.net tutorial for beginners. Step 1. You must download Paint.net. To download Paint.net, you must open a browser and make sure that you have an internet connection. To get an internet connection, you must go to a place that sells internet connection. Get a looking funny of boxes that generates the internet connection and shoots it at your computer with very bouncy lasers that your computer then sees and thinks, oh, this is the internet, and says, now I have the internet, and you will then have the internet, but you will not have the internet if you do not connect to the internet. So make sure that the bouncy lasers connect to your computer so your computer connects to the internet. Once you have the internet, go to your browser and Google Paint.net free online download 2020 for the Wii U. Once you have downloaded Paint.net, you will see it on your desktop. If it is not on your desktop, God help you. But if it is on your desktop, double click it. Oh, but wait, not Paint.net. Make sure that if it's not saying Paint.net and you are not aware that it is Paint.net, then to look for the logo and double click it. Once you have opened Paint.net, you may notice that you have more things on your screen than me to get. But yeah, if you don't have these things on your screen and you don't have colors, then you can press F8 on your keyboard to get them. If you do not have F keys, God help you. Now let's get to using the tools. This is a basic tool, the paintbrush used for drawing shit. You can edit this by doing this and this and other stuff, which is cool. Do you see how long and boring that was? If only there was an easier way. Oh, but now there is. With the paint bucket, you can change the color of a color. Watch and learn. Black to white. You can do whatever this is. I don't know what this is because I'm not, I mean, I know what this is. This does stuff, as you can see. And this will fill the color in a way that is cool. As you can see, my eyes are starting to hurt because of this pattern. I like this blue, so I'm going to keep it. Now, let's look at another basic tool. The magic wand is for selecting things that are things. So, let's have two different colors. Let's put a green in there. And let's get our magic wand and select it. As you can see, we now have the green. It is a much better way to use the magic wand than to use rectangle select and use move selected pixels. As you can see, we are moving everything that we have selected in the rectangle select box, which is why I would prefer using the magic wand than using move selected pixels for a more better experience. But let's then say that you have this thing. We have removed the colors from this thing, so we have no more colors there. But fret not, we can use the paint bucket again to fix this. But then you see this outline and you think to yourself, shit, but do not worry, we can use the paintbrush to get rid of it. Now that you know the basics, let's move on to the basics part 2. Go to text and type some text. Make sure it's a different color so it doesn't look stupid. And then this are just settings. I'm not going to talk about those because it's kind of boring. I don't like words. But now that you know the things of Paint.net, you can have art like this. I hope you enjoyed this Paint.net tutorial. Thank you and goodbye.